There's the scarving joint. That's really holding up well. Going into the main roof.
Put it on the closest one to you. On the line, yeah.
The red one.
Yeah, there it is.
The red X. Goes onto that there.
Yeah, on that line. Oh, you just pointed at.
Yeah, put it on there. Alright, put you that onto there.
Yeah. Put it on flush on the line.
That's that, don't do it.
The line you can see, because
That's it.
What's to the red line?
Isaac?
That's it. And it's flush.
Looking good, guys. Yep.
A fresh legal bid with the European Court of Human Rights in the fight to
Keep there. I'm going to take it. down the gable, just building the gable this morning, and we've got these little clamps that are very good here. They're not like the metal ones that you've really got to squeeze tight. They are good for if you're putting a lot of tension on, but here just so useful just to get in under the rafter and clip on. They're so easy to use, and so I've got them here as well. There we go, as you can see, and I find it just so easy to do. Anyway, I'm carrying on with the gable, and I'll catch you in a bit when I get these done. Okay. Okay, we've got our rafters on. We're bringing our lay boards in now, so you've probably seen on YouTube a lot of people doing it with new builds. But with us, we've got to come into an existing roof, and as you can see, we've got to take our tiles off. If you look up here, and then our ridge board's going to be fastened in a minute. But we're going to bring a line down to the wall plate up to the rafter, and then that will give us a line to put the lap board in. There you go. We're just taking out these laths to get this felt, valley felt, underneath the existing, and so that's where we're at the moment, and got a good day for it. So what Ben's doing here is just loosening off all the nails, or taking them out, so that we can actually get this lifted and get this underneath the existing, and to seal it as best we can. So we'll come back when we've got this folded up and underneath. So there we go, we've tucked it all up and underneath. The next thing is to put our valleys on down here. Okay, we're going to put a lead flasher over that. I've just got all my felt underneath and my laths on, and we're coming down here, and we'll have this tiled across. The Velux is in, these tiled in again, up here and around. So that's where I'm at the moment. Okay, our Veluxes are going in, and we're just moving on to this side and working it in. We've had to cover it up because of the rain, but here we're cutting in up here now, bringing our cuts down and our cuts down here. So this is just an update of where we're at. I'll put all them in there. So there we go. We just got our cuts in on the existing, working in nicely, and that was just dry, just put on for now. But we're getting these Veluxes in before this downpour comes again. Okay, we've cut the valleys in, we've got our hillocks in, we're now putting our ridges on, and that's where we're at. Well, we've got the good weather at the first week in September. Right, you can see the laser line there.